this is Mike Martin, and today I wanted to show you how to get Netflix, the real Netflix from the US in Costa Rica, and also, well, something else. What you see here is a recording from my cell phone to the TV, or off the TV, and the TV has a Fire Stick in it, a little stick, a little like a memory card kind of thing, like a Chromecast in the back. It's very, very small, connects to the internet, and it gets you TV. As long as you have internet, a good connection, you'll be able to see all this. Now everything you see here is off the stick, so there's nothing else attached to it. There's no router set up with a US IP or something like this. There is VPN on the stick, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, we used to install in Costa Rica dish network for like 20 years. We used to build those dishes, the big dishes, and install them and hook those people up. But this thing actually killed our business. And well, you know, since the cat is out of the bag, I might as well tell you how it works. There's no more money for us to make, so I'm going to show you how to get this stuff. Our customers, most of them have switched over because, you know, it's just much easier, it's much cheaper. You have more shows, you have more possibilities. This is totally portable. You know, you can carry this around with you as we do. We carry this wherever we go, actually. You plug it in the back in a hotel, you know, of the TV. And as long as you have internet to be watching, you can even watch this in a car if you have an HDMI input. It really works very well. So what's on here now, this is the History Vault. I personally like History Channel and all those shows they have on there. And this is, it is really good, you know. I mean, whatever you want to see, history and well, it's there. I like very much, what is it, Modern Marvels. Let's see if we can find this here really quick for you. So you have an idea, or here, you know, America's Book of Secrets, America Restoration, Ancient Discoveries, Ancient Impossible. You know all those shows. This is all the stuff what you see in the States. And, you know, we can get it down here. Here's Modern Marvels. I'm going to turn one on so you can see that this actually works. I cannot really let it run for a long time because this would be a copyright violation, and I cannot have this on my channel. But I'll show you that it works, and you get the idea. So here's the first one. We're going to look at what nuclear subs. I could choose anything. This is just a sample, just to show you that it really works. And here it is.
They are invisible, all powerful.
Okay.
The most lethal forces on Earth.
Good enough, and we're out of here. So let's go to the main menu. I'm going to show you something else. Also, what people really like, that's CBS. Of course, I like CBS. CBS has good shows, has good movies, and it has live TV, and the Super Bowl is on there. So here it is. Okay, let's see what we can do there. I have to turn the camera here a little bit. Okay, so CBS, let's go to the main menu. And there, of course, there's, yeah, it goes here. There are all the shows. CSI Scorpion, CSI Miami, Madam Secretary is a very good one. We like this. The Guardian is there. Tommy the Good Wife, MacGyver's. I mean, you know it. The Good Fight is there. Just those two alone, it's well worth it. You know, it's a hassle-free installation, and it works very, very well. So we can pick anything here, like the old ones, Beverly 9210. Anything, you know, Survivor, of course, we all like Survivor, and there it is. I think there's all the seasons there. I haven't even watched it yet, but I think so. Let's have a look. For which now, okay, all episodes, and here are they. Oh yeah, of course. Turn one on, doesn't really matter. Show you how it works. All this stuff is in HD, of course. And sometimes even 4K, and there it is. Very good. It is really nice. Dish Network, we got it disconnected. I even still have dishes on my roof. We don't use them anymore. It's too expensive, and they don't have enough stuff. Everything we want to watch, it's on here. So let's go to next week. Let's go Netflix. I'm going to show you now the difference Netflix US to Netflix Latino or Netflix somewhere else. I'm going to show you a couple of shows, shows that we really watch, and then we compare those from the US to Costa Rica. All right, so here, Money Heist, of course, everybody knows this. The Money Heist is in Costa Rica as well. So this is US.
Things are about to get really
Okay, Shameless, we know Shameless, everybody knows Shameless, it's very good. This is US only, this is not in Costa Rica. Okay, I'm gonna show you this later. Here, Weeds, of course, everybody loves Weeds. Weeds is really good.
I'm in a data bank.
There it is. Dexter, The Easy, Designated Survivor. All those shows are here. When you compare those shows to what we have, this is different. It's not the same. I'm going to show you one thing here really quick. I just remembered this. Now let's get out of here. Right here. Show you the Queen of the South, if I can find this. There it is. Okay. Queen of the South, very good. Teresa, this is a spectacular show. All right. Now here we're going for more episodes. Watch this. We have 1, 2, 3, we have 4 seasons of Queen of the South. Queen of the South is also on the Latino Netflix, but there is a difference. I'm going to show you this now. Okay, I'm going to look for a show here real quick so that you really know that this is the US version. So we're going to look for, come on, we do a search here. There it is. And we look for the West Wing. Where is the SST? Okay, here. There's the West Wing. West Wing is only in the US. Everybody knows this. So now when you scroll down here, there's a lot of old westerns, of course. Yeah, we're going to scroll down now on the German, on the Latino as well, so you see the difference. Okay. We also do another show here really quick because there is something else. There's not just the Latino, there's another option as well. All right, so let's do here Sons of Anarchy. I like those show, but it's not in the US. See this? Sons of Anarchy, not there. There's Breaking Bad, there's Warrior, there's Shameless, there's everything else besides Sons of Anarchy. Okay. The third, of course, the Queen of the South. Oh, by the way, the Queen of the South, this is not La Reina del Sur. This is a different thing. So this is really good. Of course, Narcos is there. Netflix US, much better. Netflix Latino. All right. So now let's go to the Latino version of it. We have to get out of here for a sec. And I have to turn off the VPN. I use the ExpressVPN. It's installed all the sticks, so it's easy to switch. Right now, we are connected to New York, of course. Yeah, we can connect to anything or anywhere, but it's New York just now. We're gonna turn it off, and there it's off. So this means we are on a network now in Costa Rica. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's get back to Netflix, and I have to reload Netflix so that it catches the new IP. So actually the Latino IP. It's gonna start. There it is. You see already it looks different. First thing we see here, we have Billions. Billions is not in the US. That's an excellent show. Very, very good. Not in the US. But now, while we're here, we look for Queen of the South, which is very good. And I'm going to show you the difference here, even within the same show. Okay, now we go to the episodes, and we got only 3. The 4th season is completely missing. It's not there. So why is this? We are paying the same as in the US, except, oh, actually we're paying a little bit more than this. because we have the EVA now. So this is going to show up on your next credit card receipt. They're charging some taxes now on top of this. So we are paying more and we're getting less. All right, so let's look for something else. Okay, let's look for the West Wing, of course, because we know that this is in the United States only. And the West Wing is not there. Okay, we have some, of course, other movies, some similar movies, some even the same. We can scroll it down, but the good ones are missing. They're just not there. Okay, so same thing here. We look for another good show. Real quick, Shameless. Okay, we can search for it direct. And there it is. But it's a different Shameless. That's not the same. That's a Chinese version or something. Look at this. It's entirely different.
Now, nobody's saying that Chatsworth Estate is the Garden of Eden. We just don't think they are. But it's been a good home to us, to me.
That's not Frank.
Frank Gallagher. And my kids, who I'm proud of. Because every...
That's the Latino Frank. Let's get out of here. Holy shit. Alright. And there's the option here. Let's go back there. I just saw this. I haven't seen this yet. Shameless US. It's not there. Of course not there. Alright. Let's try something else. Madam Secretary, maybe. Oh, it's already here. We can look for it direct. Madam Secretary, it's not there. We have Designated Survivor, of course. This is also in the US. We got the House of Cards. Well, we got everything else. The Billions. Billions is the best show on here anyway. So, let's do another one. Looking for Sons of Anarchy. I like this, but it's not here. And it's not in the US. Oh, I have to look. I'll have to erase all this. Okay, so. Sons of Anarchy, there it is. And we have Breaking Bad, and we got The Warrior, we got everything else. But we don't have what we're actually looking for. So, in order to get the Sons of Anarchy, or other shows that are not in Costa Rica and not in the States, yeah, let's go to Canada. Canada has everything. All right. Well, they have a lot of things, not everything, but show you this. See, now we need the VPN again. And we're gonna do Canada. We can actually connect this thing to anywhere in the world, or almost anywhere in the world, and getting the shows from there. Now this is something for our German friends, because they can be watching shows from Germany with spoken language in German, of course, yeah. So this is very cool. All right, let's do the same thing again. I have to reload this so that it catches the Canadian IP. It's a cool thing. So we can, just this little device, right? There's nothing else. I mean, you saw it now, and there it is, Sons of Anarchy, right there. Bang, and we're gonna start it, and it runs. Yep. Okay, out of here before we get a copyright strike. And we got Modern Family and Friends, you know, and all the other things. So you can see it depends of where we log in. Blacklist is here, of course, yeah. It depends on where we log in. This is the show we get. But if you have one of those VPN installed on one of those sticks, then you'll be watching it all. Now, there's something even better on here, but I'm going to make a different video about this because this is a little different. I personally prefer the Roku, you know, the Roku box or the Roku stick over the Fire Stick. I think the Roku has a better picture. It's faster. The The colors are brighter, the menu is easier, I like it much better. But there's something on here we cannot use on the Roku, and therefore I'll have to use this one. Now, I hope you like this. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting more interesting stuff about Costa Rica, about technology, energy, things like this. Subscribe. Hit the bell also below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and you had a good time.